Hey friends, if you wish to print screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the methods, starting with the easiest one. So how would you print the screen? First of all, you need a screenshot. So press the Windows key and the Shift key and S. Okay. It will open the sniping tool and then you can take a screenshot of the region that you want to print, or you can also take the screenshot of the entire region. Now, once this is done, you can click on this and then you will find an option to print it here. Okay, you can simply click on these three dots here and select print. It will connect you to the printer. Okay, and then you can click on print to print it. So that is how you can print it. And here's the thing, if a printer is not connected like it is in this case, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to Bluetooth and devices. You can go to printers and scanners, add device, find the printer, click on add device and let it connect. So once it is connected, you can pick the correct printer from the screenshot here, and then you can simply click on print to print it. And if you wish to save it as a PDF, you can also do it through the same method. All you need to do is select print to PDF. Okay, I'll just mention it as test. Okay, so now they have selected a printer, the Canon one, and it has started printing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.